My name is Ben Collins and I'm a lead applications engineer for the Additive Manufacturing Group. This project is a continuation of the successful Olympic programme we previously worked on with British Cycling. We provide additive manufacturing design and manufacturing expertise across 3 stages. First of all, we have the wind tunnel. We rapidly produce multiple iterations of the same part at this stage. Initially, we make these parts in plastic and then in metal once the designs are finalised. Second of all, prototyping. We then assist in the designing and the developing of metal prototypes, focusing on fit, form, and the strength to weight ratios. This process is repeated until production-ready geometries are achieved. And the final stage, production. This is where we develop repeatable processes and manufacture the necessary quantities of the finalised designs for the team bikes. At this stage, we produce over 1,000 parts. One of the major advantages of AM is that it offers significant flexibility when it comes to design. For this application, creating equivalent geometry with carbon fibre would have been challenging, but also restrictive. If it came to making any changes, AM gives you the ability to modify these designs quickly. This flexibility allows us to go through multiple iterations with ease. Another advantage is the strength to weight ratio you can achieve with AM. The cranks are a good example of this, where the weight is comparable to carbon fibre equivalents, but the AM parts are significantly stiffer. The aerodynamic geometry of the cranks is designed in such a way that it would be difficult to manufacture outside of additive manufacturing. The internals of this part feature a variable density lattice where the software, using finite element analysis, adjusts both the density and thickness of the lattice throughout the crank. This is based on the stress concentration in each area of the part. This creates strong yet lightweight parts.
Working with Renishaw, we've created a 3D printed crank which is printed in 2 parts. There have been 3D printed cranks before, but we've spent a lot of effort optimising the mechanical function of the cranks as well as the aerodynamics that have been optimised in the wind tunnel and on track. Renishaw understands the industry, the bike industry. They understand the high performance environment. They've got a lot of experience with high performance sport. So they understand when we have a sense of urgency and things get delivered on time. And they can help us sometimes when we're unsure about how to create something. The engineers at Renishaw are experts in doing the design for manufacture and creating lightweight, strong parts. Things like the seat posts and the cranks, these are things that we haven't done before, and I think we're really only picking at the edges of what 3D printing can do for sport, and I'm really excited for what the future holds.